Kung ito po bang pagtakbo nyo sa pagka-senador, napag-usapan po ninyo among your family members? I wonder kasi of course, as we all know, kapatid natin, Senator Raffy Tulfo is already in the upper chamber. Andito kanina.
Okay.
Tapos, of course, si Sir Ben Tulfo nag-announce na rin kahapon na tatakbo siya as independent candidate. So, ang gaganda ng mga numbers nyo sa survey. So, is this something na napag-usapan po ninyo?
No. Honestly speaking, noong una lumabas yung survey, I think as early as early this year and last year, lumabas na number 1 ako. Medyo nagtaka. My mom was still alive, and then kasi mahilig din sa social media yon. Tinignan ko, sabi ni mami, oh anak, ano to, nandiyan na si Raffy. Hindi ka ba masaya sa Congress? Sabi ko, Mom, I'm happy in Congress. Sabi ko, actually, gusto ko yung trabaho ko as a communications director ng House. I'm good with it. Wala pa naman nag-invite sa akin. Pero ako, I was really very serious na, okay, I will stay in Congress. Pero how can you say no when the President already invited you and sabi, if you want to join us, alam ba naman sabihin ko hindi. Sabi niya, baka pwede mong tulungan na naman kami muli. So when he said, tulungan muli, ibig sabihin na like what happened sa DSWD, makakatulong uli ako sa sa administrasyon.